I'm at our Hayes substation where we had to evacuate over 100 line workers this morning that were working restoration due to shots that were fired at our crews. Fortunately, local law enforcement has already arrested that individual. We understand just how difficult it is to be without power, especially in this heat. I understand the anger, I understand the frustration. Our crews, many of whom have driven thousands of miles to help restore our customers here in Houston, are working day and night to restore that power as quickly as they can. And so many of our fellow Houstonians have addressed this situation with patience and grace, and I want to thank you. But unfortunately, there have been instances where either acts of violence have been threatened or actually committed against our crews that are working this vital restoration. This is unacceptable. The safety of our crews is paramount. Threats or acts of violence is actually counterproductive. We have to redirect our crews to an area that is safe. That just delays what is already a significant restoration effort. So I ask you, please give our crews room to do their work safely. We are working tirelessly day and night to restore service to all of our customers who are still without power.